Also, I forgot to tell you guys, man. When you install this thing, let this thing sit on your car for 24 hours. You know what I'm saying? So that the glue can get nice and stuck on your window. Because, man, I'm telling you, if you don't, you down your window, the thing fly off and hit somebody's car, and now they'll sue you for you. Do not blame me. Don't you blame me for nothing. Let it bond as you bond with my channel. All right, that was pretty still. I'm sorry, man. All right, that's it. What's going on Crush Fam? It's your boy Sam, man. Back with another amazing quick video, boy. Y'all already know what time it is. Like I said, man, nobody can take the gold secret, man. We too fly for that. We're too fly. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, listen, today, man, I got a quick video install for you guys, man. What I have is rain guards. You know what I'm saying? The in-channel ones. You know what I'm saying? Which should be making Crush look pretty good. You know what I'm saying? You kind of give it that little bit of spice. Also, when it's raining, man, you know what I'm saying? Like me and Crush in the rain, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I don't feel like opening my windows all the way because I still want to get that outside air. You know what I'm saying? So I can leave a little small gap in the window so that that air can come in there. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you want that fresh air. You know what I'm saying? There's some of y'all who like that little rain smell anyway. You know what I'm saying? That rain smell, boy. All right, so let's go ahead, man. I want to thank everybody for coming back to the channel, man. You know what I'm saying? So let's give that a round of applause. Let's get it. Y'all already know how we do it. Okay. Wait. Oh, you guys see it again. The purple, the blue, the white. Oh, why I got no purple? Oh, look at the purple. Please hit the subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? And for anybody who's watching the channel, make sure your notification bell is on. So when I drop these videos, not these videos, Crush videos. Let's go ahead and get this video started, man. Because I know that you guys are waiting to see what this AVS channel thing is all about. We ain't talking about cable channels, all right? We're talking about rain guards. What do you think this is? Hardware or Comcast communication? I'm sorry, y'all went too far. All right, everybody, we back. All right, these are the rain guards right here. I think this about to give Crush a good little upgrade, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and cut this out the box, man. Let's go ahead and get this thing installed. All right, guys, I finally got it out the package, man. Look at that. Finally got it out the package. My goodness. That thing scrapped down pretty tight with this little plastic here, man. Hey, goodness. All right, first thing that we're gonna do, they gave us this little scotch thing. So what we need to do is the inside of here, we need to get in there clean so that we can have a good flood stick, man. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna take this right here, go ahead in the inside, and brush it up. Alright, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna snap off this little piece right here. Put it right aside. Boom. Boom. Alright. Now what we're going to do is pull about 2 inches off this side. That, boom. Yeah. Alright, now let's go ahead and try to stick it in there. Let's go ahead and Level up. Now what you gotta do, since you got it in there, get your tape right here, pull it all the way out. Boom. Well, look at that, it's perfect. Perfect. So now what we're gonna do is up the window so that this can be nice and good and sturdy. Next one. Go ahead and do the other side, man. Hot out here, man. I gotta hurry up, man. I don't like sweating. I'm saying, let's go ahead and get the other side done real quick. Remember, pull that little 1 inch off so you can rip that joint all the way down. You know what I'm saying? Got me, you feel me? You got me, you got me. Let's get it. Down, man. Doesn't she look good? Oh man, this thing's coming together. All right, y'all, one more window, man, and we done. We done for the day, man. We done. All right, let's get it. Get it. All right, guys, we all done. So we have to let these windows stay up for about 24 hours so that it can stick really good against the surface. So I think it turned out pretty good. Let me show you guys how it looked. For real, for real. Let's get it. Alright, right, guys, we are done, man. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, I wanted to make a quick video of this because I think this is something that's very cool to put on your car, especially when it's raining, man. You know what I'm saying? If you can gap that window just a little small bit and get that, and still get that fresh air. You know what I'm saying? So, I think it turned out perfect, man. I can't wait to, you know, show it off. You know what I mean? I'm always trying to show off something on Orange Crush, man. It's hot out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Got the airplanes flying around. You know what I'm saying? So, appreciate everybody, man, who know what I'm saying, who rocking with the channel, man, showing my channel love, keep coming back, you know what I'm saying, every time I drop these videos. I really appreciate you guys, man, you know what I'm saying. Leave a thumbs up on this video, I really appreciate that, and I see you guys in the next video, man. Thank you for coming by. Peace.